I want to share something very personal, something I never thought would happen in my life. I married a man without knowing much about him. If I had known the truth, I would have never said yes. At first, he looked like the perfect man, kind, gentle, and quiet. But later, I found out he was hiding a big secret. Let me start from the beginning. One day, I went to my friend's wedding. The hall was full of joy. People were dancing, laughing, and enjoying the food. I was smiling, talking to my friends, feeling happy. Then, I noticed a man standing alone. He was tall, handsome, and serious. He looked at me again and again, but didn't say a single word. He just watched from far away. After 2 days, I received a message. "Hi, I saw you at the wedding. Can we talk?" I was surprised. "Who are you?" I replied. "I'm the man from the wedding," he wrote. "You look so beautiful. I really want to know you." I didn't know what to say, but I felt curious. So I said, "Okay." We started chatting. He was sweet, respectful, and always said kind things. He made me feel special. After only 2 days, he said something that shocked me. "I want to marry you. I see you as my wife and the mother of my children." I was confused. "But we don't know each other," I replied. "I know you're the one," he said. "Please say yes. I'll keep you happy forever." His words touched my heart. I believed him. So, I said yes. Our wedding was small. Only close family and friends came. I wore a simple white dress. He wore a suit. He smiled at me like I was his whole world. At first, life was beautiful. He gave me gifts, said lovely things, and made me laugh every day. I felt lucky. I thought I had found my dream man. But after 1 month, everything started to change. One evening, I saw him smiling at his phone. I asked, "Who are you texting?" He quickly said, "Just a friend," and put the phone away. I didn't think much. I trusted him. Time passed. We had 2 children, a boy and a girl. Life looked normal from the outside, but inside, I felt something was wrong. He started coming home late. "Work is busy," he said. He stopped talking to me. He never let me check his phone. I had a bad feeling, but I stayed quiet. Then one night, he forgot his phone on the table and went to the other room. I picked it up, and my heart broke. There were romantic messages from another woman. He called her my love, my everything. He never said those things to me, but he said them to her. I cried silently. He sent her gifts, took her out, made her feel special. But he never did that for me. The worst part? I knew the woman. She was from my village. She was 5 years older than my husband and had 3 kids. Her husband worked in another country. And the truth shocked me even more. He had been seeing her before we got married, even after our wedding. He never stopped. He stayed at her house for days. He gave her money, took her kids shopping. I felt broken. When he came home, I showed him his phone. "What is this?" I asked, with tears in my eyes. He looked shocked. "I'm sorry," he whispered. "I made a mistake." "Mistake?" I cried. "You lied to me. You promised to love me. You promised to be true." He begged me to forgive him. "I won't do it again. Please, just one more chance," he said. I didn't know what to do. I was lost, confused, angry, and hurt. I took my kids and went to my parents' house. I didn't tell anyone. I stayed quiet for 1 month. Then my parents asked, "Why don't you go home?" I had to tell them part of the truth. They didn't believe it at first. "You have children. Forgive him. Maybe he will change," they said. He came back and begged again. "For the sake of my children, I gave him one more chance. We lived together again. But my heart was empty. I couldn't love him. I couldn't forget. After 2 months, it started again. He was texting her again. I saw them together in his car. He came home and said, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You're the best wife, the best mother." But I had heard it all before. This time, I made a decision. I listened to my heart, not to others. I left him. I asked for a divorce. I went abroad to work, to build a better life for myself. I left my children with my parents. It was the hardest thing I've ever done, but I don't regret it. Life is like this, full of lessons, full of pain. But now, I'm stronger. Sometimes the people we trust the most hurt us the deepest. Sometimes love is not enough to fix what's broken, but in every broken moment, we find strength. I don't blame myself anymore. I gave love, I gave chances, I gave my heart. But now, I'm giving myself a new life. And if you're listening to this story, remember this. You are stronger than your pain. You deserve honesty. And you have a right to choose peace. Thank you for listening to my story. If you felt something, if this touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more real stories like this.